Sister Freddie, and our Pride student is Noah Lang. And I wish that all of you had the chance to get to know Noah, and I wish that all the teachers would have the chance to work with Noah Lang, because he is an amazing young man. He has such a positive attitude. He is so well liked by his classmates. He's so helpful. But the thing that I admire the most about Noah is that he has an amazing work ethic. He is maybe the hardest working student I've ever taught. He loves a challenge. He loves hard work. So sometimes when I give an assignment or I give a question and the rest of the kids are like, oh, this is so hard, this is going to take us forever, Noah's the first one to say, I love this is so hard, it's going to take me a long time, but I'm going to stick with it and I'm going to get it done. So Noah, I'm so proud of you, and I know that I'm so lucky to be your teacher. So congratulations. And Mrs. Sauter couldn't be here today.